iwache kata iwache unconsciously but en gima timore pile pile. Ni kwa odhela December. Why should you go on December kende? Angoma Kisumu temo majidhi ma December Kisumu. Daki jidhi Kisumu pile pile temo biashara. Da iloso moro jite ngo biashara. Ndege iloso moro jite ndege oken madheliel. Jo ngene jo Kisumu wacho ni adheliel mayoto Friday adugo on Friday. Ndege oken madheliel. Ndege matimo commerce. Kaluo onge ni commercial activity minyawacho kata mchele ma Eric wacho kane. Mchele mi loso nyando. En mchele bara kuru. Okay, madhano chamo. Mchele madhano chamo wuok mwea. When can we produce mchele ma quality ma ber nyando plains? Minya create for commerce. Nga sadi jo mekawe ikawe for mixing gi mchele moko to ode Uganda. Because kipenye eni Nairobian kawuono ni bocha mchele ma nyando. Okwenya wacho mchele ma nyando.
Doja penjeri ni kotunesha kugowa kani.
Kono kuma policy ma government. Poko ONAS de joluka do kacha. There's no farming in lowland. Emomio vijana dhie guns. Ibo kuponi ngidheri mono menyedho. Kata ipidho sa horticulture, cabbage moro kata lot mosko moro. Sadi mebo dhiri to godo rengo. Obi kata mebo dhila godo little ground rally kirembe. Yonge time no. Why? Because ingidho mira dhe nyedho. Ingi avocado mira dhe doyo. Ingi horticulture farming. Horticulture farming is the new norm. Is the new cool in agriculture. Nyote kineno kao TV kai no go ni jo China wacho ni mondo go export avocado or tariff free to China. If you saw on TV the last week but one. Kalu can produce agriculture, avocado. But avocado serikali wenia ipu the manage jo Kakuzi gi some farming in central. To one dalawa in our home. We had one avocado tree. No go avocado magani kabeza. Teno chama to atieke. Ango mono feel avocado can do it for commerce. And transport avocado to China, okuyo ke Nairobi ka. We have an international airport in Kisumu. Why should we transport it to Nairobi? Onge tembo ke in Nairobi ka. They should be exported via Kisumu. Our fish farming in Kisumu, no kelo ngimo Nile Perch mbuta. Okwa veste, okwa duare, to mbuta is a favorite dish for Asian countries. Moko no export we ne mbuta na Victoria tikelo we process in Australia ka to ngato export akamba mkamba export to Europe da kwa processing plant man mbuta no in Kenya in Kisumu modo export via Kisumu International Airport because e wacho ni Kisumu International Airport mandege mapima dumu gikaenya en Embraer mar jo Kenya Airways gi moko mathino moko mago turboprop mikijo jambo jeta kane reggae maka nyithindege ndege maduong cat land in Kisumu because Kisumu is still a local airport. Nyakwa ngeni transport means of communication oken man movement to liel gidhi wedding gidhi December. En mar transport for business throughout the year.
To koro seyo dhinenga nikech weche miwacho to longo tena adier makende.
Yes.
Weche ma yawo wang. Seyo dhinenga jotelo.
Seyo dhine jotelo kata sani wana serikali. Agriculture wa weyo okwa focus on agriculture. One focus on dara ge empowerment. We should bring in the Agricultural Finance Corporation. And we train vijana. Kikawe kacheni da pura lot. Maigi mi the yode. Kidwa ya UIOP mar lungo generator. Maigi amachi midwaro and these are the returns. Mondo government ukil pesa ni kaluo. Kingiyo kawuono. Kidhi Madhare, Kibra, Slums Nairobi kae. Ginyithi luo duto mantiere. Anga gitimo Nairobi kae kipenjogi. 10,000 kile Nairobi 10,000. Iweyo dala, iweyo eka chiel mar oduma, minyalo pidho ogada, pidho dhiang, and some of these things not only government can tell you. TV ka pele ino wanango farming or something news bang purgoala manyako mokelo ka pele gidhi ngeni kacha nganya teme video no anganya teme gipudho mano dabdalane mondi ugra obi kai ka pesa mathis idhi dala I focus mondo mane ka yamero get true evolution to mawan everybody to biro Nairobi cha Lufapaga beach era dala ibiro obi kai tiweyo iwe pudho kareyo minyalo turn into other horticulture ne maji jio kana stand but ene kuma pesa nitiere